Welcome back to Spore and Sprout. In this video, we're going to be making a double extraction on chaga mushroom. You are going to need quart jars, cheesecloth, alcohol, water, chaga, a knife, a hammer, and or a mortar and pestle. Chaga has the highest oxygen radical absorbance capacity for natural foods or supplements as tested by the USDA. This is important because oxidative stress caused by free radicals has been demonstrated to accelerate the aging process in both cells and blood vessels. Oxidative stress also increases the risk of certain types of cancers, coronary heart disease, and many other health problems. The immune-boosting effects of chaga mushroom are due to the presence of beta-D-glucans, a water-soluble compound found within the cell walls of the mushroom. Cooking the mushroom or heating it will break down the cell walls and allow us to pull out those compounds. The alcohol-soluble compounds in chaga include the phytosterols and the triterpenes and are thought to be mainly responsible for the cholesterol-lowering and anti-cancer effects. To start the extraction, you want to make sure your chaga is broken up into small pieces or a fine powder. I like to use Everclear, which is 151 proof, but you can use any alcohol that is over 70%. Pour the alcohol into the jar until it is about a ½ inch covering the chaga. You can now put the lid back on the jar and store it for 2 to 4 weeks or even longer to allow time for the compounds to shift from the chaga and into your alcohol. You can use a double boiling method to help speed up the process. I usually do this right before I filter the chaga. Now that it is time to separate the chaga from the alcohol, you can use a coffee filter or cheesecloth. Pour your mixture over top of your cheesecloth or filter and allow time for the contents to separate. Once you are done, you can set that jar aside, and now it is time for the water extraction. Place the same filtered chaga from the first step into a saucepan and cover completely with water. Heat on low for 2 hours or longer. Just make sure that it does not boil. Filter the water extraction the same way you did the alcohol. If you want, you can return the water back into the saucepan to reduce to a manageable level. You can now mix your water extraction with your alcohol extraction, and the tincture is completed. Exposure to sunshine, air, humidity, and other contaminants can affect the quality of your chaga, so make sure you use proper storage techniques. I use amber glass bottles to store my chaga tincture, ensuring that it lasts multiple years. Understanding how to perform a double extraction is beneficial because it can be used on most other medicinal mushrooms. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this one.